OKX Dual Investment is a non-principal protected structured product. It allows users to either buy low or sell high when trading cryptocurrencies for stablecoins at a predetermined target price. It offers attractive APR and a wide selection of coins for you to buy low or sell high. Unlike trading using limit orders, you can be sure your order will be executed if your target price is reached at expiration. For orders longer than 2 days, you can redeem your position earlier if needed. Plus, there are no trading fees with Dual Investment. With Dual Investment, you can choose between two strategies: buy low or sell high. With buy low, you can buy your desired crypto at the target price, which is set below the current market price using USDT. Let's assume the current price of Bitcoin is $54,000 and you want to buy the coin at a target price of $50,000. You purchase a buy low product for 10,000 USDT, which has a term rate of 1.24%. The following scenarios are possible. Scenario 1. On the expiration date, if the expiration price of Bitcoin is less than or equal to $50,000, you will buy Bitcoin at the target price of $50,000 with no trading fees. Scenario 2. On the expiration date, if the expiration price of Bitcoin is above $50,000, you'll earn extra USDT. With the sell high strategy, you can sell your desired crypto at the target price, which is set higher than the current market price. You can subscribe to this strategy using the crypto you want to sell. Let's assume the current price of Bitcoin is $54,000 and you wish to sell the coin at a target price of $58,000. You purchase a sell high strategy for 10 Bitcoin at a term rate of 0.2%. The following scenarios are possible. Scenario 1. On the expiration date, if the expiration price of Bitcoin is less than $58,000, you'll earn extra Bitcoin. Scenario 2. On the expiration date, if the expiration price of Bitcoin is greater than or equal to $58,000, you'll sell Bitcoin at the target price of $58,000 with no trading fees. Here's how to subscribe to Dual Investment. First, open OKX on the app or web and select the Grow tab. Go to Structured Products, then Dual Investment. Select the crypto you want to subscribe to. Then choose whether you want to buy low or sell high. Next, choose the term and target price. Now, input your amount and note the minimum order size of 10 USDT for buy low and 0.0001 Bitcoin for sell high. Finally, select Confirm to subscribe.